This is What's Wild in New Hampshire by wildlife biologist Eric Orff. This is Monday, Labor Day 2022, September the 5th. Well, I'm back up to Pittsfield, to the dam in Pittsfield called the Factory Dam. Well, it was built according to this, to 1920, replacing a wooden structure that was built in 1883. So here we are. Let's take a walk over to take a look at the dam. Well, we've had some rain starting last night here in New Hampshire, central New Hampshire. In fact, when I last glanced at my rain gauge before I came out, I think we've already had over an inch of rain here in central New Hampshire. Here we are at the dam in Pittsfield, New Hampshire on the Suncook River, checking on the condition of the Suncook River during the drought of 2022. Some different than when I looked at it, what, a week or 10 days ago? I stood right over there and took a picture across this dam, and here it is, what, 10 days later or so. Got some water flowing. Yeah, we've got some rain. And Kevin Skarupa on Channel 9 at noon is predicting we might have as much as 3 inches of rain in New Hampshire, in central and southern New Hampshire. So we got some water flowing down there. Yeah, pretty good flow for the drought of 2022. Definitely better than it has been. Yeah, got some rain. More predicted overnight tonight. We might get as much as 3 inches of rain in southern New Hampshire. That's a little south of here. I live 10 miles south of Pittsfield, here on the Suncook River. So yes, pretty good flow. September 5th, 2022, during the drought of 2022. We have not had much rain. This is the most rain I've had in my rain gauge since I came back from Florida mid-March. I think I got back March 15th, so this is the most rain we've had. Had a couple of 3 half-inch or better rainstorms since then, but this has been the summer of little rain and a drought across all of New Hampshire, moderate to severe. This is sure going to help. We've got some water here. It feels good. I feel like this is lucky. This is the lucky to get rain right now. We so needed it. It's a little late for the crops, some of the crops. This will help the apples and the fruit to maybe bulk up a little bit. And it's been a steady, slow rain overnight and entirely through the day today. So here it is. What time is it? 2 p.m. on September 5th. So it's been raining starting in the night. It started raining. Very nice, modest rain that's going to soak in the ground. Very, very much appreciated. Yeah, we got some rain. Awesome rain. We sure needed it. This will help quench Mother Earth. It's got to. This is awesome. Hey, this is wildlife biologist enjoying the rain on Labor Day. This is wildlife biologist Eric Orff for What's Wild in New Hampshire.